Today, we've got an exciting topic for you all: how to flatten your belly for good with science-based tips. Whether you're aiming for a flatter stomach or looking to shed some extra weight, stick around because we've got some valuable insights coming your way. Having excess belly fat can negatively affect health and may contribute to several chronic conditions. One specific type of belly fat, visceral fat, is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions. According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, NHLBI, your risk of those health issues increases even more if your waist size is greater than 35 inches for women and 40 inches for men. By losing 5% to 10% of your body weight, you can improve blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol levels, mobility, sexual function, and more, says psychologist and registered dietitian David Creel, PhD. Alright, let's dive right into it. Tip 1. Balanced diet. First up, we have the cornerstone of any fitness journey, a balanced diet. It's crucial to fuel your body with the right nutrients to support your goals. Focus on incorporating plenty of lean proteins, fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains into your meals. And don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Women should aim for at least 25 grams of fiber per day, based on a 2,000-calorie diet, according to the most recent US dietary guidelines. Tip 2. Regular exercise. Next on our list is regular exercise. Engaging in both cardiovascular exercises and strength training can help you burn calories, build muscle, and achieve that toned look you're after. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with 2 or more days of strength training exercises targeting all major muscle groups. Incorporating a variety of exercises not only keeps things interesting but also ensures that you're working different muscle groups for maximum results. Tip 3. Adequate sleep. Now, let's talk about the importance of getting an adequate amount of sleep. Believe it or not, sleep plays a significant role in weight management and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest, recover, and regulate important hormones like cortisol and ghrelin, which can influence hunger and cravings. Poor sleep has been linked to the accumulation of body fat, as well as insulin resistance, says internist Spencer Kroll, MD, who specializes in cholesterol and lipid diseases in his private medical practice in Marlborough, New Jersey. Prioritize sleep as part of your self-care routine, and you'll notice improvements in your energy levels, mood, and waistline. Tip 4. Stress management. Last but not least, let's discuss the impact of stress on belly fat. Chronic stress can lead to the accumulation of visceral fat around your midsection due to increased cortisol levels. That's why it's essential to practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies that help you unwind and relax. By reducing stress levels, you'll not only improve your overall health, but also contribute to a flatter belly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.